So currently at the Burj Khalifa. I thought I was going to be late. Well, I was late, but there's not a time limit on how long you can stay here. It closes at 11, so I'm gonna walk around for a bit, and then I'm gonna head into the mall for a bit. But I thought I was gonna have to buy another ticket.
应该也不会，这个怎么这么黑？显灯光。
As it is. Getting blocked.
I popped it. Right here.
Welcome to 24 everyone.
क्या क्या कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं आप लोग माशाल्लाह 24 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 899 24 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है 899
So Burj Khalifa, it was nice, good experience. I can't remember correctly, it's second tallest building in the world, or maybe third. I'm not sure. I'm sure someone in the comments will correct me, but yeah, it was nice seeing, well, not seeing, but finally able to go up in the building, experience that. Last year I came here and I didn't get a chance to, so yeah, it was nice being able to go up there. 125 floors up. Mad, isn't it? So just outside by the water fountain, which is unavailable. It's being renovated. So did want to see that again, but I guess not. It's not gonna happen. So I'm just walking around outside the mall. It is 33 degrees. I am cooking. Anyway, tomorrow I think I'm doing, what am I doing tomorrow? I think I'm going to a place called Dubai Super Trees. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog that. But yeah, I am signing out for today.